We are here on this very earth to love and to be loved.
Hello everybody! Welcome to another completely disjointed katiepix vlog. Firstly, I'm wearing a silk. This is the most incredible thing for your hair. I'm working from home. I tend to don this on. If you want to know more about it, click in the link below. This vlog is mainly going to be a montage of hilarious things that happen when you give your somewhat dysfunctional friend Tom Dale a camera for the day. So enjoy that. On top of that, however, I realised I've got two things that I really wanted to talk to you about. First things first, this. Myself and Simon have just become ZSL members, so that's London Zoo and Whipsnade Zoo. Now, if you've watched this channel for a while, you will know that I just love it. I have so much admiration for what they do, because as soon as you start delving into the actual research side and the work that they do for wildlife across the world, it is phenomenal. Join as a member, and obviously that money is going into the work that they do, but you get a little something back as well. You get fast track entry, you get unlimited entry to Whipsnade and London Zoo, priority booking and discounts in the zoos, and essentially you are supporting ZSL's mission of protecting wildlife and safeguarding it for the future. I mean, that's a mission I want to be part of. Number two is I've just launched my brand new website that I'm so flipping excited about, and I'm just going to tell you a few little bits about it. katiepix.com or katiepix.co.uk will link you to the same site. Got all the recipes all beautifully ready and waiting for you. Little update on my videos that are going on at the moment as well. If you click on a recipe, I have also made sure that each recipe gives you a little something about it. It's going to break down all those key details you need. So how many does it serve? How long does it take to cook? How much prep time? Is it difficult? It's all listed there for you, along with an easy shopping list for your ingredients, and hopefully the method is nice and straightforward for you there too. We've also got this little thing coming soon, restaurant reviews. That's right, I will be reviewing all of those beautiful places that I am very fortunate to eat at, to give you a little insight and some ideas and inspiration of where you can eat. There is also a brand new section of the website called Just Katie. So this is where you'll learn a little bit more about me, about what I do, and hopefully give you some useful, exciting information about lifestyle, home, bit of fashion, hopefully entertain you with some comedy. I thought I'm going to do some proper writing, so I've started blogging, and that is in the Just Katie section here. And don't forget to sign up to the monthly newsletter, where you'll get the chance to win fantastic prizes and get exclusive recipes and interviews and have a great old time. That is the katiepix website. I hope you go and check it out. I'm so excited about it. It's been a proper labour of love, and huge thanks to Pipdig who helped build the website. I am thrilled. For now, we're going to follow up with a ridiculous montage of all the strange things that happen when you give your crazy mate Tom Dale a camera for an afternoon.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
Yeah, that's a good bed. Whoa. GHD. Good hand dowels. Katie is quite the artist. The crab one, my favourite of all the hair pieces. Terrifying. Katie, when you're watching Frasier, this is Frasier's view of you. No room's complete without a set of knives. Whose bauble is this? Oh, it says, Katie. Mesh. I thought mesh was only for vests. Candle in the window on a cold, dark winter's night. No! I'm sorry, Alexa. Ah! My tea! No! Oh, don't be cold. Oh, Lord. Oh, thank God. Mr. Pix won't be happy about this. David Gandy, you are an attractive man, but I resent the fact that the cover of the calendar has you shirtless, but then inside the calendar, it's you with clothes on. Seems like a lie. That's probably why you're still in the packet, mate. Oh, an Allen key. I've got you, buddy. I always see Katie doing this, okay? And she's usually walking. So I need to sort of recreate Kate Anderson walks. Oh God, the brightness! Ah! Sometimes put the camera there, and then it'll be like a time lapse. Just time lapse it, just time lapse it. Oh! That's probably about like 2 seconds of time lapse or something. Yeah, I mean, is this the vlog? This is the vlog. No, not the bright! What's wrong with there?
Hello?
Yeah, another one. Did he hear me or see me talking about my own neck? Oh, God.